Welcome back to Drive Vault. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button because today we've got something seriously exciting to talk about. The 2026 GMC Savana Luxury van has finally rolled out with customized interiors. And let me tell you, this thing isn't just a van, it's a lifestyle on wheels. Whether you're a family traveler, an executive on the go, or someone dreaming of a luxury camper setup, this new Savana might just be the dream ride you've been waiting for. Just take a look at it. Sleek, modern, and commanding on the road. The design has definitely evolved from the older Savana models. It still carries that bold GMC front grille we all recognize, but now with sharper lines, smoother aerodynamics, and a premium finish that screams confidence. It's not boxy like the vans of the past. It feels upscale, almost like a luxury SUV stretched into a van format. Honestly, if you parked this next to a high-end Mercedes Sprinter or Ford Transit, it would absolutely hold its own. Now, let's talk performance. GMC has stepped up big time. The 2026 Savana comes with multiple powertrain options, including a hybrid variant. That means better fuel efficiency without sacrificing the power you need for long trips or heavy hauling. Imagine cruising down the highway with that smooth GMC ride, knowing you're getting more miles per gallon and doing your bit for the environment too. And yes, there's still a powerful engine option for those of you who just love that extra punch on the road. It's the perfect balance of brains and brawn. But what really makes this van stand out is the interior. This is where the magic happens. The new Savana is all about customization. You can basically build it around your lifestyle. Want it as a family van? You've got layouts with multiple rows of plush leather seats, complete with massage and heating. Functions. More of a business traveler? You can turn it into a rolling executive lounge with a work desk, connectivity hubs, and even a mini fridge. And for my fellow adventurers out there, you can transform it into a luxury camper with a fold-out bed, entertainment system, and enough storage for your road trip essentials. It's like GMC handed you the keys and said, "Go ahead, design your dream van." The technology inside is just as impressive. Massive touchscreen infotainment system, seamless smartphone integration, high-speed Wi-Fi, premium surround sound. Everything is designed to keep you entertained and connected. Safety has also leveled up with next-gen driver assist features, advanced lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and all-around cameras for smooth maneuvering in tight spots. It's peace of mind with a touch of luxury. And let's not forget the price. While GMC hasn't officially locked in the numbers everywhere, early reports suggest the Savana will be priced competitively compared to luxury rivals. Considering the customization and features you're getting, it's actually incredible value. Think about it. You're not just buying a van, you're buying a vehicle that can be your family hub, your office, or even your hotel on wheels. That flexibility is worth every penny. Now, when you compare this to past Savana models, it's honestly night and day. The older versions were practical, reliable, but they never really felt luxurious. They were more workhorse than dream ride. The 2026 Savana changes that completely. It takes everything we loved about the durability and power of the old model and layers it with modern luxury, advanced tech, and customization that puts it on a whole new level. So here's the real question. What would you turn the 2026 GMC Savana into? A family van, a rolling executive suite, or a luxury camper for cross-country adventures? Drop your answer down in the comments. I'd love to know how you'd customize your dream ride. If you enjoyed this first look at the all-new GMC Savana, don't forget to hit that like button. Share this video with a fellow car enthusiast. And of course, subscribe for more deep dives into the latest and greatest in luxury vehicles. We've got a ton of exciting reviews coming your way. And trust me, you don't want to miss what's next. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep dreaming big, keep driving bold, and I'll catch you on the next one.